MDC Vacuum is a global leader in the ceramic and vacuum industries. We offer a range of products from standard catalogue items through to special customized solutions to meet our customer requirements. We have operations in the US in 3 locations and out of Europe, based out of the UK. As a company, we are looking to the future, looking to grow our business to meet our customer requirements. As part of our strategic planning process, we looked at our IT infrastructure. We realized that we had different operating platforms within the European business as well as the US business, and they didn't fully meet the needs of our customers today and our future business plans. We decided to conduct a full review of our infrastructure, and within that, look at the whole platform from the ERP through CRM through our websites. Once you've made the choice to select a new platform, the challenge became which one. There are many solutions out there today which meet the market requirements for multiple industries and multiple applications. What we were looking for was a platform that would enable us to minimize our IT investments, to streamline the organizations and provide increased customer satisfaction and business growth at minimal capital cost and minimal integration costs. As we looked at our options for the ERP, we had 2 choices. One was to upgrade our existing system, the second was obviously to put in a new platform across the company. We looked at a strategic need for us, which was basically to dramatically improve the operations of the business. As we did that, we recognized that upgrading our existing IFS platform wasn't an option for us, that we needed to go to a new platform. We went through multiple selection criteria, decided what our key needs were for the business, and then engaged with various suppliers to look at the options for us. We conducted multiple reviews with providers and narrowed in on the Microsoft Dynamics AX platform. This met our current business needs as well as our future needs. We saw it as a platform that could actually handle our standard catalogue items as well as our special business practices. It was a platform that met US requirements as well as international requirements, and a platform that enabled us to integrate from the web straight through to the ERP, manufacturing and our supply base at the same time, minimizing the needs for multiple integrated platforms. This was chosen after going through reviews of multiple platforms that are available today, but we believe the Microsoft Dynamics AX platform provided us with opportunities for business growth in the future, provided us a solution that was an end-to-end from both the customer perspective as well as the internal business practices, and one that minimized our IT investments both in the short term and the longer term. As we went through this process, we had specific objectives we wanted to achieve. Obviously, we had sales growth plans, but we wanted to minimize the headcount increase required to achieve those. We wanted to increase the capability of production, being able to actually put more through the plant than we currently did, and increase the customer satisfaction by speeding on-time delivery and reducing the time from customer engagement to shipping the product. We visited one of their installations, spoke to the people that had been through the process before, got some learning around the upfront work required as well as the go live. This was invaluable to us in the process and something that we would recommend to anyone. They had good manufacturing expertise, which made the discussions around our needs and what that meant in terms of Microsoft Dynamics AX implementation very simple. They understood the platform, they understood the manufacturing needs, and were able to translate our business requirements into a solution that was able to be implemented very quickly. We started the process back in July and were able to go live in January. In the planning process, we took the decision to go live without running 2 systems in parallel. We were going to shut down the existing IFS platform and bring the Microsoft Dynamics platform up and run the company from that from day one. This required quite a lot of forethought and planning and making sure the data was translated between the 2 systems, and we ran multiple scenarios to validate the information we had. The project went live on time to a 6-month timeline. We went live in July and we went live in January. We were able to hit the target budget for the project and program. Over the last 4 months, we've found Microsoft Dynamics AX to be a great platform. As people have become more familiar with it, they've found ways to improve our business practices, improve customer satisfaction, and improve efficiency throughout the entire organization. Over the coming months, we'll be rolling out the platform into the European organization as phase 2 of our implementation plans.